In this video, I'm going to show you how to get legendary weapons in Once Human. Now, legendary weapons are by far the best weapons in the game, and they are very worth it, even though you may have to grind for them quite a bit. The easiest way to get them and the fastest way to get them, however, I must warn you, they cannot be repaired and you can only use them until their durability kinda wears off, is to farm different silos. Now, I like to farm the Theta and the PSI silo, which is located somewhere around here. There we go. It's over here, as you can see. Now, you can also farm other silos as you wish, and after each and every single one, you will get some legendary weapons. You can also get blueprints, though those are more rare. More often, you will get legendary mod parts and legendary weapons you can later use and kind of just use or kind of shred down and disassemble at the disassembly bench and get some valuable materials, as you can see over here. Now if I disassemble everything I have, I will get quite a bit of things, as you can see, that are very useful. Now if you don't want that and only want to get legendary weapons that you can repair forever and are actually worth calibrating and using your materials on, you can also go to the wish machine over here, which you can find in any one of these major towns over here, these safety zones, or just unlock a mimetic and then build it yourself inside your base, where you can either gamble. However, I wouldn't recommend that. I actually, when I started playing the game, didn't know that it uses StarCrom. I didn't look at it, and I used a whole bunch of StarCrom on this crappy kind of game of luck and got all the blueprints I didn't want. But if you want to do that and get these blueprints up here, you will have to kind of pop these dudes that pop out of the ground with a hammer, and then you'll get a blueprint each and every single time you do it. However, it will cost you some StarCrom every time you do it. Now, if you want to guarantee the blueprint, so the one you want, and you can't find it inside the wish machine, you can also click G on the wish machine to open the blueprint shop. Now in here, you can buy whichever blueprint you would desire, okay? As you can see, all the blueprints are available in here. However, they cost quite a lot of StarCrom. So, if you have saved up enough StarCrom and you want to buy yourself a blueprint and you have one in mind, I would definitely recommend you come over here and buy this one, because, and buy blueprints from this shop and not gamble them, or simply run silos and hope to get what you wanted. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get legendary weapons in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.